Welcome back to another interesting tutorial on 1688 Chinese shopping app, and in this video I'll show you the new and easy way to add goods to cart on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's find out. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial, and in this video I will show you the easy way to add goods to carts on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is open up your 1688 shopping app. I'm going to click on here to open my 1688 shopping app. Then have you open up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to select the particular product you would like to add to cart. Let's say, for instance, I want to add this particular product right here to cart. So click on the product link. So when you click on the product link, it take you right here. Then click on here to proceed. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to add to cart. Then it's going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to add by color, by sizes, and the quantity right here. Let's say I need this particular black right here. I need just 2. I will come down below right here. I will add 1, 2. It's that simple. Then we can swipe and take on another color. Let's say I need this particular color of the same design. I need 1 of it. I'm going to select on that. Then we can swipe again and see. So I need another style of this color. I need the same style of this color. I need 1. Then we can come down below right here and check on another style. So I need this particular style color. I need just 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's that simple. Now, when you select all the products by quantity and the size, next thing you need to do is to click on here to add it fully to cart. So click on here, allow everything to be completely added to cart. After a successful add a product to cart, next thing you need to do is to click on here to view your cart. So let's check it out. So I'm going to click on here now. Then it's going to take me to all my carts right here. All the products we have in our cart is going to be found right here. Just like what you see right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to add goods to cart on 1688 app. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.